everybody. So I'm here and I'll be doing a eating video. And I'll be eating some ramen. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button and comment and make sure to like the video. So I'll start the video now. Kids, remember always to blow before you eat. That really good. The part that I like about it is that it has like a seasoning flavor added to it. Did you guys know that this is Chinese food? Did you guys know that this was like a mix-up of Chinese food? I knew that because my mom told me that, and I believe her. Because kids are supposed to believe their parents. And I, for one, like being famous and stuff, and it was really good. I like the seasoning part. There's some, I don't like those parts. I like the leaf parts. Only chunks.
So tell me about yourself.
I also love Doritos and Sun Chips because they're my favorite. And I also like Teen Titans Go. It's really great and it's on right now, and I also like Sophia First and everything. So that's all I'm going to tell you about myself. But let's continue the video. You guys like the Lion Guy? Because I used to love the Lion Guy, and I used to watch it. And I used to love it. I always watched it. I always told my mom that I wanted to watch it. It was great. So, let's just keep doing it.
So what's you guys' favorite movies?
Well, what's you guys' favorite noodles in movies?
So my favorite is beef.
My favorite is beef, and my favorite movie is My Little Pony. And I told you guys that I'll be talking with my My Little Ponies and stuff, and playing with them, and moving around with them. But you give a thumbs up to the video. But let's continue. And as you know, I'm still a kid, but my mom says that I'm allowed to be doing videos even though I am a kid, and even though I'm also a grown-up. And now I'm going to leave the video back and subscribing, so I'm done with it. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. And say hi to my mom in my next video. Bye!